Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to show you how to make your Android 12 phone switch automatically to silent mode when you reach work. To do this, go to Settings, scroll down, then tap on System. Next tap on Rules. Now tap on Add Rule. Next tap on the plus icon next to Add Wi-Fi or Location. Here you can choose the way you want your phone to detect that you've reached your work location. I will select Wi-Fi network. Now select your work Wi-Fi network. In my case, it's Work Wi-Fi. Next select how you'd like your phone to react when your phone connects to your work Wi-Fi network. I will choose Set the phone to silent, then tap Add. By doing this, every time I reach work and my phone connects to work Wi-Fi networks, it will switch to silent. A simple way to automatically switch your phone to silent when you reach work. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.